Ready? You got it. 5, 6, full step. Shuffle change. Clap opposite. Triple left. Right. Clap your left. Stomp and tap. Shuffle, step left. Shuffle, both ends. Step and grab. Clap opposite. Triple right. Clap heel right. Stomp and tap. 4 flat heel. Triple right. Step shuffle both ends. Clap heel. Last heel side. Sugars. Go. Clap opposite heel. Around if you want. Now left. A flaps. Clap heel. Clap your touch. Great job. Let's go one more time.
Rockin' around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe on where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rockin' around the Christmas tree at the Christmas spirit. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's pretend you deck the house with boughs of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.